Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the font color in Canva. So in here, I've already opened a design on Canva and I want to change the font color in here. So what you guys need to do is just click on the text that you want to change its font, and then in here just click on the A in here, a symbol, to change the text color, and you'll see lots of color options that you can change into. So for example, I want to change it into a blue color in here. Just click on color and it will be changed like this. And if you want to change all of the color, just click on change all in here. Then the previous colors will be changed with the color that you chose before. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe this channel. Bye.